in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for Dane County in south central Wisconsin until 5:30 a.m. At 1:24 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, Stoughton, Waunakee, Verona, Oregon, McFarland, Monona, Windsor, Edgerton, Marshall, Sauk City, DeForest, Cottage Grove, Cross Plains, Deerfield, Mazo, Maney, and Shorewood Hills. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. A line of strong thunderstorms